All right, my people, so I said, why give a video and not give it to you all the way? I want you to see exactly what I'm saying. I went head on and I filled up all the jugs around the trees, right? And so I got holes beneath these jugs, but I'm gonna let you see what it looks like. Just a stick pin. I didn't mean like a writing pen, just a stick pin. And I'll let you see again. Once you stick it, let me get this grass. See that? Just stick it right there. And overnight, that's gonna leak out. I would tell you, stick it further to the bottom, because if you stick it up here, once the water level gets past here, then you'll come out in the morning and you'll still have this much fertilizer and water. Also, don't stick it directly at the bottom if your mixture is a little thick, because it'll clog up the holes. So you want to stick it somewhere around the bottom of the side. All right. And if you don't, like I said, if you don't want it leaking like that, you see that? That's how it's going to drench out slowly into the soil all around. If you don't want it this close, you can always move it out. I keep mine close. That way it can, like I said, help out my plant closer to home. And it's organic fertilizer, so it's not like it's going to burn you out. Same thing here. I don't care how many sticks you give it. I would say the less the better. Gives it a slower leak out overnight. The rest of them already have holes in them, so I don't want to put too many holes. Then it'll it'll leak out faster than I want. But same thing, just go in, put your little stick, it leaks out overnight. When you wake up in the morning, you'll have some empty jugs, and your fertilizer will be in the ground, in the soil, right where you want it. That's it. I don't have anything else extra about that. It's just fertilizer and water, or Epsom salt and water in a jug or in a can. Works perfect. No secret. Peace. God bless.